Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever you are watching from and depends on your time zone. So guys, I wouldn't want this video to be long, so let's just go straight into today's video. But before I do guys, my name is Kingsley. What I teach is spot trading and future trading. So guys, a lot of people have been asking me when is the right time to buy and when is the actual right time to sell using the spot trading market. As you can see right here, we are actually using the spot trading market. And in this video guys today, I'll be showing you guys how to study the buying chart, which is this one, and the selling chart, which is this one. Okay, so do way to stick close to the end of this video so you don't miss any part. All right, so this video will be showing you guys a step guide on how you can buy cryptos, here, and how you can come back to sell it on the selling chart and make your profit. And you can do this continuously and make a lot of profit. So with that being said guys, let's head into today's video. And please do not forget, if it's the first time of coming through my channel, if you find any value after watching, do go to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this, you'll always be the first to be notified. With that being said, let's head into today's video. Like I said, now let us study the buying chart. And like I've told you guys, the green sign here actually means buy. Why the red sign here actually means sell. So whenever you want to buy and sell, you have to always consider these two markets. Now looking at these red signs of this amount, now it will not clearly show you that this is the selling market. Okay, now if you are selling, you leave it a buy, then you come here with, let me use my projector, or how will I call it either. So when you are selling, you should always consider the price. Now if you want to sell, but first let's analyze the buying section first before we proceed to sell. All right, now if you want to buy a coins, like I always told you, buy coins when the price has drastically gone below 28% or 20%. Now if you are buying, now looking at this amount of percentage in which the coin has gone down to, don't buy at this amount. You won't make any profit. Not because of the fact that I told you guys that the minus sign simply means that the price of a particular coin is going down. That doesn't mean that you should buy at any time. Now, when is the right time to buy? Don't always forget to use your limit order, okay? Now, if you place any order here, mind you, if you place any order here, mind you, you are buying at the current market price. Now, what is the current market price? The current market price is the amount you are seeing here. That is the current market price. Now, since you have noticed that this coin is highly volatile and you can't use the limit order and predict your own time or the amount you want these coins to triggers as soon as the coin get to that very amount. Now, if you are buying, let me use this for better explanation. So if you are buying, always go with the last amount you are seeing here. Okay, that is the least amount you can buy. So don't start checking from here. This was the least amount you can buy. So by the time you buy from here, using your limit order, now how do you impute this price you are seeing here into this box? First, erase this amount you are seeing here, and also be mindful to know the numbers of negative signs here. These negative zeros, you are seeing it now. There are 7 negative zeros before this one. Hope you're getting it clear. Now, if you are buying and you want to buy at this very amount, now let's erase this amount. Now you take it off and allow that one to be there. Now, for you to impute your own amount, you are seeing that it begins with 7. So you come now and impute 7 right there, followed by 3, 0, 0, 1, 3. Good. Now you can leave your trade to always be at limit. By then you must have deposited your USDT here before selecting your pairs. By doing that, you can now drag this a cursor from this end to this very end. Okay. By doing that, all the amount of USD you have would be placed for WKC. Then you click on buy. Now, as soon as this particular coins amount get to this very amount you impute right here, well, let me show you guys. Now, once this particular amount gets back to this very amount you impute here, your trade would triggers. Okay, so you can decide to leave your own trade to be at the last amount here, so that by the time this coin increase, and still happens to get back to this very amount, your trade would triggers. Now, assuming your trade has been triggered and WKC has been purchased, now you will how do you make your profit? You will make a profit now by selling it off. So once you click on sell, again, you have to study the sell market chart and also be looking at the percentage. If the percentage has increased to 38 plus, you can sell it. Now, the two strategies here is that when you are buying, buy when the percentage of WKC coin has gone down to about minus 30 or minus 28. Then when you want to sell, you can sell when the price of WKC has gotten to about plus 38%. That's when you can make your profit. Every trader has his or her own ways to buy and sell. Okay, but just apply your wisdom, because most times you might come here and the chart will be different due to how volatile the market is. Please get this basic fact clear. Sometimes you come here, sometimes you might come here, the price of these coins or the chart will be different, but just apply this little wisdom that I've showed to you guys. Know when to buy and know when to sell. Now, if you are selling, consider the last price people are selling here in order for your trade to trigger fast. Now, if you want to sell, you will see that. Wait, let's go back to market and let's leave it to limit. Now, if you want to sell, you have to consider this amount here. You can erase this very one, then you impute this very amount. All right. Okay, let's say, for example, you want to sell at this amount. Don't use this very one. Okay, if you are selling, you'll be looking for the last person or the last amount that people were actually selling. Now, this was the last amount people were actually selling. Though you can still increase your own price above this. If you have that confidence that your trade must get to that amount, you can also increase your own trade above this amount here. All right. So now all you have to do is to come over here, take off this amount and impute your own. Then you sell at this very amount. If you want to trade to triggers quick, now you enter the amount 13552. Good. Then you drag this thing that looks like cursor from this end to this end. All your WKC that you bought will now be sold for USDT as soon as the market triggers to this very amount that you placed. That is just a simple truth to make money on this arbitrage stuff. All right. So I hope I've made myself clear, guys. But if you still want more questions, or if you are still a novice, you still want to know more details about this thing, please feel free to message me. I'm always available online. All right. Now, for those of you who want to join my VIP group for more and adequate mentorship, I will leave the WhatsApp number in this video description. Check it out and get in touch with me on WhatsApp. But mind you, mentorship is not free. Always have this at the back of your mind. So guys, thank you for watching, and I do love you guys. Bye.